Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it.
Hi guys, I wanted to share with you guys real quick what I'm gonna do with my perfumes. Now I have been housing my perfumes high end and low end in this cart right here that pushes around, but I want to change and do a little something different in my new space. So I decided to go to Ikea and I found this. Well, actually I found it online and then I went and picked it up in store, but I have this little shelf right here and it's actually a TV stand, but I decided to get this and put my perfumes on. It was like the perfect fit for the little space that I wanted to put it in, and I didn't want it to go too high. I want it to come below the window pane or either right at the window pane. I decided to go with this one, and it's clearly enough space for the perfume that I have now, and if I decide to get more, I'll still have room. This TV stand here was not expensive. I believe I paid $69 for it, I think, but either way I'll have it listed in the description box below. But this is the before, and then I'll probably come back and show you guys an after. Alright you guys, so as you can see, I have now removed all of the perfume from here, and those are just some empty boxes back there for my replica perfumes, and then just some other little things I just need to move off of that cart before getting rid of it. And these are all of my perfumes. As you can see that I have low end, I have high end, and I pretty much try to group them together if there were several of the same brand. And underneath I just took and put some bottles down there that are almost empty on this side. One is kind of full, but the rest of them are pretty much almost empty. And then these are just some like travel sprays that came with like a gift set or something, so I just threw them down there. And then this is just lotion that came with the perfume, so I just stuck that down there for now. And as you guys can see, I still have plenty of room. I just have things spaced out. If I was to get more perfume and I hadn't finished any of these, I still have plenty of room just to stick them up there. But there we have it. I am so in love. Fits perfect in the space. It leaves me all this open space out here in the floor. So you guys, if you are looking for anything that's inexpensive, sturdy, doesn't take up a lot of space, and it gives you plenty of room to store things, then this TV stand here will work for you. And like I said, it is a TV stand, but you can use it however you need to use it in the space that you need it for. And they do have this in this white as well as black. I will be sure to leave the link to this particular item here in the description box, so do check down below. Ikea has came in for the win. Alright guys, there you have it, my new perfume setup using an Ikea TV stand. I hope you guys did enjoy the video. If so, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and turn on your notification bell so that you won't miss an upload from me. Until then, I hope you stay safe, have a good day, and I'll see you soon. Bye!